Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can use Sage Accounting. So let's get started. Sage Accounting is a cloud-based accounting software that helps businesses manage their finances, track income and expenses, create invoices, and monitor cash flow all in one place. To get started, log in to your Sage Accounting account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see an overview of your business finances, including recent transactions, account balances, and important financial information. The first thing you should do is set up your business details and connect your bank account if that option is available in your region. This allows Sage Accounting to automatically import transactions and helps keep your records up to date. Next, you can create invoices by selecting the Sales or Invoices section. Enter your customer's details, add the products or services you're selling, review the information, and send the invoice directly to your client. You can also record expenses by going to the Expenses section. Add details such as the amount, supplier, and category so your business spending is accurately tracked. Another useful feature is reporting. Sage Accounting provides financial reports such as profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow reports. These reports help you understand your business performance and make informed decisions. Be sure to regularly review your transactions and reconcile your accounts to ensure everything matches your bank records. That's the basics of using Sage Accounting. With consistent use, you can simplify bookkeeping and keep your business finances organized. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.